Hi, welcome. My name is Dave Stiegel. I'm a shareholder at Lawton & Cates, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to check out this video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the Wisconsin pardon process, give you some information about that so you can determine whether it may be something that you could take advantage of. As always, this is just going to be a short video. I can't possibly get to all the details of a pardon. So if there's anything I say in here that sparks a question or you have a comment on, feel free to contact me directly. I'll leave all my contact information in the link below the video. So let's get to it. Today's video comes from, thankfully, an increase in the number of calls and emails I'm getting about pardons. More and more people are looking to take advantage of this or see if it's something that could benefit them. At least here in Wisconsin, under the old previous administration, Governor Walker never granted a pardon for the entire length of his administration. So under Governor Evers, he's begun to grant pardons, which I think is a good thing. So here are the details. The governor's pardon power arises from our state constitution. It's section 6. I'll put the text for whatever it's worth, or for those of you that are interested in reading it, in the link to the description to this video, so you can check that out. The governor created what he calls a pardon advisory board. So it's a group of individuals that are charged with reviewing pardon applications and then making recommendations to the governor about which pardons to grant. Okay, so what exactly does a pardon accomplish? That's oftentimes a question that I receive. So a pardon is simply an official act of forgiveness that restores all the rights you lost as a result of your conviction. That's the legal definition of a governor's pardon. So the second most common question I receive is, well, who can apply for a pardon? So you're eligible to apply for a pardon if you meet all of the 4 criteria. Okay, so here they are. Number 1, you must be seeking a pardon for a felony arising from a Wisconsin court. So unfortunately, misdemeanor convictions do not count. They're not eligible to be pardoned from our governor. Same with out-of-state convictions. So your conviction has to arise from a Wisconsin court, and it has to be for a felony offense. Number 2, you must have completed your sentence at least 5 years ago. Your sentence could be jail or probation or a fine or prison sentence, but 5 years of time at a minimum must have passed since the day you completed your sentence and the day you apply for a pardon. Third, you cannot have any subsequent criminal convictions since the crime that you're applying to be pardoned. And you cannot currently be subject to any pending criminal charges while your pardon application is pending. Okay? And finally, you're not eligible for a pardon if you're currently required to register as a sex offender. So as long as you meet all 4 of those criteria, you're free to apply for a pardon, and I would strongly encourage you to do so. The first step in that is filling out the application. I will include a link to the official governor's website, the Pardon Advisory Board. It provides more information about the process, and also provides you with a link to the application. So there it is. I hope it was helpful. The most common things are just determining whether you're eligible in the first instance, and if you are, beginning that pardon process application. If you need additional assistance or you'd like representation during the pardon process, please feel free to reach out to me or another attorney. I know myself, I consider this very worthwhile work. The joy of seeing someone pardoned is a great experience for everyone involved, frankly, but certainly for you if your pardon is ultimately granted. So if I can assist in that in some small way, feel free to contact me. If you have any questions about the pardon process or your case generally, feel free to contact me so we can discuss that in private. Other than that, I appreciate your time today. Again, my name is Dave. I'm a shareholder at Lawton & Cates. Thank you very much.